If your upper back feels stiff and locked from sitting, the quadruped thoracic rotation is the move. It restores the rotation your desk stole. Your mid-back, the thoracic spine, is built to rotate, but sitting hunched all day locks it up. This drill restores that rotation, which takes pressure off your neck and lower back. Step 1. Start on your hands and knees. Place one hand behind your head, with that elbow pointing out to the side. Step 2. Rotate that elbow down and across, reaching it toward your opposite wrist. You'll feel your mid-back round slightly. Step 3. Now reverse it. Rotate the elbow up toward the ceiling and follow it with your eyes. Move slowly, about 2 seconds each direction. 2 things to watch. Keep your hips square and still. The twist should come from your mid-back, not your hips swinging. And move slowly. Rushing turns it into momentum instead of mobility. Do 2 sets of 10 per side, taking about 2 seconds in each direction. Smooth and controlled is the whole point. Posture 12 picks the right mobility work for how your body feels today and guides you through it. Free. Link in the description.